All right, I'm so excited to be able to announce the NF5 Life Sciences Innovation Challenge, which is being sponsored by Thermo Fisher Scientific. And I'm excited to be here with Fred Lowery, president of Thermo Fisher Life Sciences Solutions and Laboratory Products. And we just got inspired by hearing Fred's story, in his playbook into the life sciences industry. And now the excitement goes to the next level. If you're not familiar with the NFI Innovation Challenges, let me just give you a little bit of background before we make this announcement. Innovation Challenges leverages the power of the crowd. We call it crowdsourcing. And we leverage the power of the crowd to solve really big challenges that require extraordinary effort, extraordinary talent, and oftentimes require innovative approaches that have never been tried before. Let me give you a couple of examples. The X Prize, which many of you have probably heard of, there's two big examples. One, they wanted to have a challenge that would help open up the opportunities for commercial space flight. So they put up a $10 million prize to be able to find a team who could build a spacecraft that could make it to the Kármán line and back. And lo and behold, teams from around the world competed, built that spacecraft, and as a result, Virgin Galactic was born. Sir Richard Branson swooped in, licensed that technology, and today you have a publicly traded company in Virgin Galactic. Another example, there was another oil spill off the Gulf, and the traditional means of cleaning up the oil spill were not working. The X Prize did it again. They put out the power of the crowd, a competition to come up with innovative approaches to solve the problem to clean up the spill. Well, today, this is going to be the opportunity to announce a challenge that will literally change the game in life sciences. Here's the problem. There's not enough diverse talent in or even coming in to the field of life sciences. And as you saw this morning, when we were inspired by the first kickoff speaker, Dr. Leen Kawas, CEO of Athira Pharma, a entrepreneur who launched her own company, just went IPO, and is changing the world by helping to cure Alzheimer's. We need leaders like that. And so that's why today I'm excited to turn it over to Fred, who's going to talk about this game-changing announcement that will literally create the next frontier pipeline of game changers coming into this industry. Fred, let's hear this announcement.
Landon, thank you very much. I am so excited to make this announcement and excited to be here today. Diversity and inclusion is a major tenet in the culture of Thermo Fisher. And that's a culture where everybody can be their very best self every single day. And you just heard in my discussion with Leland about the JUST project, where we are providing COVID testing to HBCUs. That's a great example of an innovation or of an idea that came from our diverse culture. As Landon just said, there are great opportunities for innovation in the life science industry. And with the right talent and the right drive and the willingness not to give up, we know that we can have a huge impact on society. But the problem is we don't have enough diverse talent. And quite frankly, we will never get to where we're trying to go without diverse teams. Diverse teams simply deliver better outcomes. So today, along with us providing COVID testing for HBCU students, we're also announcing that we're going to hire 500 HBCU graduates over the next 3 years. But more than that, we're going to partner with Base 11 to accelerate that through an innovation challenge to find the very best diverse talent to come to Thermo Fisher, to come to life sciences, to be the next game changers. I'm incredibly excited about having all of you participate in our innovation challenges we'll announce next year, but looking forward to having you join the life science industry and make a huge impact on society. Thank you.
Fred, we're so fired up to be in partnership with you and to the thousands and thousands and thousands of students, early stage career adults and entrepreneurs all around the country who are watching this announcement right now, I say, get ready, get inspired, get fired up, and make sure that you're going to be the first to be able to hear the details of this innovation challenge just after the first of the year, because we want to be able to see you on this grand stage talking about that breakthrough, game-changing solution that you came up with as a result of being a part of this challenge. So Fred, thanks so much. Can't wait to be back here next year to have you talk about the details of this. And until then, man, keep changing the world.
Thanks.